the force that pushes us to do, to think, to act beyond our limits. Failure is not a dead end. Failure is a roller coaster ride filled with unexpected turns and invaluable lessons.
It cannot be. Oh, Mazile, come and enjoy in the water for 12 hours. Mazile water mein. It cannot happen, my dear guys. Your process, your painful process of this 2 or 1 or 3 years in this spoken English, in this assembly. Every next day you will feel rejected. Every next day you will feel painful. Every next day you will feel rejected. Every next day you will be more negative. Every next day you will make more other people negative. What will happen? Nothing will happen. But if you endure the pain, then you will get a skill, a great skill from which you can impress anyone. Guys.
So let's just start this Sunday with a beautiful Hindi quote that is, वो खुद ही तय करते हैं मंजिल आसमानों की, वो खुद ही तय करते हैं मंजिल आसमानों की, परिंदों को नहीं दी जाती तालीम उड़ानों की. So today you're going to understand what is motivation. You're going to understand how to motivate. You're going to learn how to be a core motivator. You're going to learn how to connect the people. You're going to learn how to match your energy with the audience. And these all things will be done by the students of SMB English, and they are kids. They are from the kids batch. Right. So let's call for this beautiful session a beautiful speaker, and he is going to speak a beautiful quote on the stage, and his name is Ismail. Okay, hold on. So welcome Mr. Ismail with a huge round of applause. Mr. Ismail, please come onto the stage and speak a beautiful quote. Okay? All right. Yeah.
So I speak a very beautiful quote. It is, doesn't come when you have all the answer, but it's come when you are ready to face all the question.
Now. Okay, all right. If you are enjoying the session, your clap is telling every story of your heart, okay? And today, your clap has energy, your clap has power. It is explaining many things that you are ready to face, enjoy, entertain everyone. It's giving energy to the speaker, and the speaker's name will be disclosed very soon, okay? And they are not new on YouTube channel. A lot of people know them, but today you will see their different face, okay? Their different energy, and you're going to enjoy this much for the first time with English speaker, and that too in a far-flung area of Begusarai, and that is called Khatopur, okay? This is going to create a history in the field of language and communication skill. If you're ready, show that energy to this world of English lover. Please give a huge round of applause for me today and for yourself today, please. Okay. Let the world know we are the cult of crazy people. Let the world know we are the cult of crazy people. We are the group of English lovers. Okay? And we are the infiltrator of communication skills in this area, and we are going to become the pioneer of English in this area. Right. The Deo is here in front of you, and we guys are there. We are going to explain many more things about English today, but through motivation. Okay, so I'm calling the student onto the stage, and he is okay, Mr. Sa. कमाल है. No, wait, 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 wait. I said just Sa. कमाल है. S-A. All three speakers names start from S-A. Okay, so let's disclose the name. Okay, don't do the peheli veheli mat bujao. Don't play puzzle. Okay, I'm calling Mr. Saqib. Come onto the stage, Mr. Saqib, onto the stage, please. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
The thing that each one of us has faced in some points of our life. It's a 7-letter word that carries the evoking feeling of destruction and disappointment and frustration. And that 7-letter word is failure. Yeah, you heard me right. That 7-letter word is failure. Today, I'm going to unleash the incredible power of failure and discover how it can propel us to new heights. The unsung hero of every success story. A fundamental thing of every journey of success is failure. Failure is the catalyst for innovation. Failure is the hidden gem of greatness. Failure is the force that pushes us to do, to think, to act beyond our limits. Failure is not a dead end. Failure is a roller coaster ride filled with unexpected turns and invaluable lessons.
Whoa! Wow! Oh, good!
Failure is the fire that fuels our determination, the spark that ignites our creativity, and the mentor that guides us and provides all invaluable lessons. Failure, now just think of every failure as a thrilling challenge, a chance to rise stronger and smarter. Every failure, each setback is a stepping stone, a building block for our future success. Failure is the force that makes a champion and fuel greatness. Consider the story of Lionel Messi, a young boy from Argentina with a dream to become world's best football player of all time. But early in his career, he faced numerous challenges, numerous setbacks, numerous failures because he was diagnosed with growth hormone deficiency. Early, he was rejected by his team because of his short structure, because of his physical limitation. But with unwavering determination, with constant work, he turned his every setback, every rejection into a chance to grow.
Yes, fabulous.
Now you can see that Messi is the greatest footballer, greatest soccer player of all time. His record-breaking achievement, numerous Ballon d'Or award, and unmatchable skill are the result of failure that he has faced in his past. Just as Messi turned his every rejection into resilience, every setback into setup for success, every failure into foundation for growth, each one of us has the power to harness failure as the stepping stone, as a building block for our future success. Because failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. Failure is a step closer to the success. Failure is a lesson, and failure is also a wonderful teacher. Every lesson learned brings you one step closer to the success. So keep pushing, keep striving, because your greatest achievement lie just beyond your greatest failure. So stay epic and keep the fire burning. Until the next time, I am signing off.
Okay. Yes. Your clap, your zest, your energy is the token of my energy. It shows your interest. It seems you really love motivation, English, and most importantly, SMB English. Right? Thank you for your kind support. Keep doing this thing. We can create something big. It is not my arrogance. It is your support and my belief it will surely create a history once. Thank you very much for this beautiful round of support. Okay, so I'm calling the next student. Okay, and he is Mr. Samar or Saad. I don't know. Right? Who is he? Okay, let's do it. Okay, Mr. Saad, Mr. Samar, Mr. Saad. Mr. Saad, you coming onto the stage and give a huge round of applause. Give a thunder round of applause to this tiny speaker of English. Okay, and we come to know today what is English and what is motivation, and after all we are SMBians. Okay, so hold the mic, okay, and burn these days. Don't burn this home, huh? This is my family. Okay, all right, let's start. Yeah, please. So you want it? Yeah.
Boys and girls, as we all know that life is not a straight path. It's not like a clouds. It's not clear like clouds. It's not good for us. But sometimes dark clouds gather and the life of threaten starts coming. As we all know that in this challenging time we are unable to do action. We always feel to be defeated. In these challenging times we give up very quickly. So what can we do that we cannot give up in this life? And so every time we want motivation from someone, and we watch some videos on the YouTube to get motivation. We watch some speech to get motivation. But can't you motivate yourself?
Yes.
You can motivate yourself. You can ignite your fire. You can awaken your skill. Just need to find your skill. Just need to highlight that skill to yourself. You should know J.K. Rowling. She was the author of Harry Potter series. She faced numerous number of rejection because she was not able to sold her movie, because it was not having a good storyline. It was like, because if you're not consistent to any work, you cannot do anything. I know a small work will give you a small result, but if you will do big action, it will give you a big result. So act big. If you act big, then it will give you a big result. As we all know that we cannot. As we all know that we cannot take first step. We fear to take first step. If you're going to do any work, you're going to do do a complicated work, you will be very having very means fight in your mind that should I take my first step, should I do this work. Before doing that work, you will think a lot, you will just discuss to yourself that should I do this work. And we fear, because if I will do this work, we will fail. That's the thing that we first think. We don't think about the good thing, we don't think about the results. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with just one step. If you are going to travel a lot of distance, you need to take first step first. Follow that the difference between poor people and rich people is very big, and by one statement I just wanted to define the difference between poor people and rich people. Means successful people and unsuccessful people. Poor people plan for Saturday night. Poor people plan for Saturday night, but rich people plan for 3 generations. This is the difference between poor people and rich people.
Beautiful.
At last, I just wanted to tell you that you have the passion, you have the power, you have the motivation, you have the determination, you have everything, you have every quality. You have no lackness, no any missing qualities. You have every qualities. Just need to rise up, stand tall, and fold up your sleeves and get ready to face this world with confidence. So in this note, I just wanted to tell you that till then, peace out.
Okay. All right. Have deep breath now, because you will not get a single second to breathe now. You know, because a ball of fire is rolling from the mountain. A ball of fire is rolling from the mountains. You know what will happen? Those who will come into the way, they will crush. And his name is Mr. Summer. Please give a thunder round of applause to Mr. Summer onto the stage. Yeah, get ready. And cameraman, bach ke rehna, right? Okay.
Do the work what you enjoy. Do the work what you enjoy. You all have been sold in the black market. I'm telling our truth, which is the biggest lie, because multiple generation of people is infected by just one line, and that is I'm not enjoying in this work anymore. You came here to enjoy? मजे लेने आए थे. You came here to enjoy? No, nah. You didn't came here to enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, some people leave after 6 months by saying that I'm not enjoying anymore. Some people leave after 1 year by saying that I'm not enjoying anymore. You came here to enjoy? You didn't came here to enjoy, my dear guys. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever the process of transformation is available in this planet is not a fun.
Yes.
It's not a fun. Turning into a butterfly out of a caterpillar doesn't give fun. They have to go inside a cocoon, and it is such a small cocoon that one has to shriek, and they have to live in it for how long, no one knows. And then after a long period of time, it bursts, and then the birth of butterfly occurs. Do they enjoy in this process? They cannot enjoy in this process. They would be also having pain that कि मुझे दर्द हो रहा है, मैं इतनी छोटी सी जगह में रह रहा हूँ. They would be also having pain when a sculpture hits the stone. Then stone never says that मुझे मारो, मुझे मजा आ रहा है क्योंकि बाद में तो मुझे एक स्टैचू बनना है जो कि लोग मुझे पसंद करेंगे. But in this world, it had never happened that stone is enjoying when a sculpture hits. When a snake changes its skin, then he's not having any fun. He wouldn't be saying like that कि अब अब 1 साल बाद, अब आधे साल बाद मेरा स्किन बदल रहा है and मैं ब्लैक से व्हाइट हो जाऊंगा, मैं व्हाइट से ब्लैक हो जाऊंगा. He wouldn't be saying like this. He would be also having pain. He would be also enduring the pain. Ladies and gentlemen, note this thing of mine that I'm not enjoying anymore. I'm not enjoying by speaking here. मेरे भी हाथ थरथरा रहे हैं. Really, मुझे कोई मजा नहीं आ रहा है आप लोगों से बात करने में. मुझे भी मन कर रहा है कि I should have talk with my friends. I don't have friends. I have a lot of friends. And what am I doing here? I'm giving speech to you all because I know that process is always painful, my dear guys. Have you ever heard of Michael Phelps?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you have already heard about Michael Phelps, then listen it again because sometime it happens that you have listened it but you cannot understand it. So listen it very carefully. That is, he broke 32 years old record. And what type of record? He just claimed, he just won 8 gold medals in Olympics. And what type of record he broke? Before 32 years ago, Mark Spitz just got 7 gold medals in Olympics. If you are thinking like that, winning gold in Olympics is a fun, then it is not. You may be fighting with your neighbors, you may be fighting with your friends, you may be fighting with your city, you may be fighting with your state, you may be fighting with your country, but the guy who goes in Olympics have to fight with the top athletes from all over the world.
Right. Clap for it.
My dear guys, if he had won 8 gold medals in Olympics from our country, ना प्रधानमंत्री बना देते उसे.
Right. Yes, yes. I will make some noise here. So people will stand.
I'm not telling you all a joke. In past years, if a single person wins 1 gold medals, जिसने भी 1 गोल्ड मेडल भी जीता है इस कंट्री से, एयरपोर्ट बंद हो जाती है. And here 8 gold medals. You would not believe that he had won 8 gold medals in Olympics. It's not a fun, guys. Michael Phelps' chair was in his place and the dice was in front. He came and sat on that. 32 to 35 media was covering him. The world media was covering him and asking many questions. But one female journalist asked that, Michael, today it must be your lucky day because you broke 32 years old record of Mark Spitz. That guy did what, you know? He just smiled and offered her a seat, a chair in front of him, and said very beautifully that, Madam, you don't know the BTS of that. You don't know the behind the scenes, behind this hard work. What happened behind this success, you don't know about that. In the year 2004, I saw a dream that I will break the 32 years old record of Mark Spitz. When I woke up, then I told myself, I promised to myself that before breaking the world record, before breaking the record of Mark Spitz, I have to break the hard work of Mark Spitz. You know, when I woke up, then again I searched for one more thing. I browsed up for one more thing, and that was what special.
Yes. Energy should not be down.
Just
few minutes more.
I took a resolution on the spot that I have to practice underwater for 12 hours a day. Guys, मैं बनूंगा बाहुबली, and I will become Bahubali. By saying this line, no one can become Bahubali. One cannot become Bahubali just by saying this line. You have to endure the pain, what happens through going through the process. Ladies and gentlemen, he said very beautifully that if a guy just goes underwater for 12 hours, his fingers starts melting. Even if you stay in water for 1 hour, your body will start feeling like melting. And you are saying he would be having fun. He took one more word. He gave one more sentence to the journalist that I used to cover 15 kilometers a day. 1 week, 7 days. A month, 31 days. A year, 365 days. And about 4 years. I almost covered 20,000 kilometers in these 4 years. Madam, if you also want, if anyone from here wants to break my record, then you have to do nothing. You just have to break the record and you have to just cover 22,000 kilometers in these 4 years. And I'm damn sure that you will win 2012 Olympics. Guys, would you be enjoying? He cannot be. Oh, Mazile, come and enjoy in the water for 12 hours. Mazile water mein. It cannot happen, my dear guys. Your painful process of this 2 or 1 or 3 years in this spoken English, in this assembly. Every next day you will feel rejected. Every next day you will feel painful. Every next day you will feel rejected. Every next day you will be more negative. Every next day you will make more other people negative. What will happen? Nothing will happen. But if you endure the pain, then you will get a skill, a great skill from which you can impress anyone. Guys, this law has been sold to you from centuries that love the work what you like. Guys, you can love your work and you should. I'm repeating again and again, you can love your work and you should. But have you ever heard anyone falling in love with the process? It cannot be. Sir Amitabh Bachchan, he's 18 years old. He's 80 years old and Sir Amitabh Bachchan, with all respect, he would be at least worth of 20,000 crores of rupees. But again, he's getting ready on the set of KBC and asking the same question and answer for last 20 years. Would he be enjoying the key question answer? मैं 10 करोड़पति बना चुका हूँ, मैं 20 करोड़पति बना चुका हूँ. He wouldn't be saying like this. He would be also bored from these all things. Guys, whatever the process of transformation is, who is becoming IAS or IPS officer wouldn't be having fun. They have to get involved in the books for 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 hours. बाप के पास पैसा नहीं है. Their father don't have money. Take a loan because my child will study. बाप ने पैसा वो अपने लोन पे पैसा ले रखा है कि मेरा बेटा पढ़ेगा. And here you are saying that he would be having fun. He cannot have fun. Guys, they just believe in one thing and their focus is only like the pole star, which is just clear and focused. Guys, they just believe in one thing, that is key. After this painful process of my 5 years, 10 years or 15 years will give me the enjoyment of the whole life. I will enjoy for my whole life, and by saying these lines, I'm saying you goodbye.
We will bind up, okay? So with a very beautiful Hindi quote, as he says that, love the process. Love the process समझ में आता है आपको? हर किसी को रिजल्ट पसंद है, हर कोई जीतना चाहता है, ठीक है? लेकिन जीतने से पहले का जो एक्शन होता है ना, that makes victory.